What is going on, guys? This is Chad. Thank you for watching another Is That Chad Honda Reviews video. Today we're going to be taking a test drive in the all-new 2019 Honda Pilot Touring Elite. We'll be doing a quick 0 to 60 pull, show you how well it gets up to highway speed, as well as doing a just a few corners on it, testing out the road noise, that type of thing. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into this thing and get this thing going. Guys, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment. If you have any suggestions, please leave a suggestion. I'm always trying to improve my videos, and however I can do that, if your advice is definitely welcome. Also, if you guys will please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I am trying to get to 3,000 subscribers, and your guys' help would be greatly appreciated. So I think it's the first thing I want to point out real quick while I'm getting going is this guy right here. It shows you where your power is coming from when you're driving. As you could see, when I was making that corner, the power was being delivered to the outside wheels. You can see right there, it's going to everything except for. So that's really cool, guys. You can see exactly where the power is going. Let me know what you guys think about this redesign on the Pilot. Is it something that you think is going to help sell more of them, or do you not really like it too much? Leave a comment and let me know what you guys think about that. Alright. There is a sport mode as well. Here, actually, let me go ahead and put it into that. While we test this acceleration. And here we go. As you can see, it gets up to speed very easily, not a problem at all. The motor doesn't sound like it's struggling in the slightest, so those are all very good things. I apologize about the shakiness of this video. I'm trying to record and drive at the same time, which is kind of dangerous sometimes. Now, the car does of course have all of the sensing package stuff, so all of the adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, all of those types of things. And I can actually, I'll actually try one of them for you in a second, show you what it does, or what it looks like. Go ahead and set that guy. You can see lane departure warning, and it vibrates the steering wheel. Now my hands are not gonna, you see it vibrates the steering wheel, shows you that you're going out of the lane, and then it'll actually attempt to steer the vehicle for you as well. So that's what it's doing there. Now as I get up close to this other car up here, once again, I'm not gonna touch the brakes or anything, but the car is gonna slow down and stop for me. Well, I didn't have enough time to read it, so I had to brake myself, but here, now let me set it behind this car. Once we get going here, I'm going to set the cruise control to follow this car, and hopefully it'll come up to a stop for me. Go ahead and get up to speed again for us. I'll go ahead and make a U-turn for you guys, show you the turning radius. So I'm gonna attempt to turn from this lane, use the middle lane, and then turn to the very next lane. See how tight it turns here. If I can make it inside of these cones, and we did easily. The turning radius is phenomenal in this car. It's extremely easy to drive. It doesn't feel as big as it is at all. That's the number one thing I hear from people when they drive this car is just how easily it drives. I definitely recommend you going to your dealership and test driving one for yourself. Let's put us back on regular drive mode here and do one more. There we go, and that was on regular drive mode, and I mean, you heard it, you saw it, it picks up really, really good. So let's see here, one more time. There we go. Alright guys, please go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, drop a comment down there with any kind of concerns or questions or anything like that you guys may have for me. Thank you for watching another Is That Chad Honda Reviews video, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. If you do want to see a demo of this car, or there's a walk around of the vehicle, please go ahead and look at my channel. I am also uploading one of those videos as well. So I look forward to seeing you guys over there on that video, and I'll see you guys next time.